Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Gran Snomancello in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox new Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined the game, and first of all, you need to go to the central island. And as you can see guys, here there will be this stand, and this is a limited event. It will end after 1 day. I don't know, but it's limited, so you need to be faster to unlock the snowman. I mean the Gran Snomancello. And if you want to get the Grand Snomancello, guys, you need to earn snowballs, and you can get the snowballs from beating the snow brain rot. Okay, and after you can beat the brain rot, you will automatically get the snowballs, and I'm going to submit it to the snowman cello. Okay, and wow, I got the premium water bucket. And if we want to get the Grand Snomancello, we need to have 5,000 snowballs. And yeah, you can earn it from beating the snow brain rots. And okay guys, that's how you can get the Grand Snomancello in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. And make sure that you earn these snowballs faster because it's limited. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and bye!